Copywriting can make you a ton of money. I have personally made over $675,000 in profit as a copywriter over the past few years. But the problem is landing your first client. This is one of the hardest things. Like anyone can learn copy. Like it doesn't take long. You get these bits going, cash advertising, ad week, Ogilvy on advertising. You want to take this to the next level, learn some marketing too, and funnels, 100 million money models. But the thing is once you learn copy, that's not enough to make money from copy. Like you may know how to like write a better headline and write a better email that converts, but unless you can get that copy in a business and actually start sending it to make the money, like you can't make money for a business owner, which means you're not gonna get paid. So what do you do when you're brand new? So this is what I would do if I started all over today to land my first client. So it's so stupidly simple. The problem in 2025 and 2026 is that trust is at an all-time low online. So trying to land clients online has never been more difficult. Like it's never been easier to learn copywriting thanks to the free knowledge and access everywhere. Now with AI, you can just ChatGPT learn anything. But just because it's easier to learn copy doesn't mean it's easier to land clients. So especially when it comes to online. So people don't trust people online anymore. Like it's really hard to like go DM someone now. Like this is why cold email doesn't work anymore. Like this is why cold DMing 500 people and using some automation tool doesn't work anymore. Why? Because business owners are used to getting pitched nonstop now, and everybody has a tool and everybody presses send 500 times. You think more volume is going to get you clients, but it's not working clearly. Otherwise, why are you watching this video, right? More volume, sending another DM, sending another cold email doesn't work. This is what I would do if I was starting over from scratch, right? First of all, I'd get good at what I do, right? I'd get in the books daily. I'd read the stuff. I'd apply the stuff and I'd write, right? You can't make money as a copywriter. Good luck making 10K a month as a copywriter if you don't actually write. Like it's pretty crazy. But instead, this is what I would do. I'd get good enough to land clients, like practice, write, and all that stuff. And you know where I'd look to go land clients? It's really simple. I'd look out there. I'd look out there. You see those buildings? Somebody owns that building, and somebody owns that building, and that building, and that building, and all these buildings around them. There are hundreds of businesses literally right at your front door, right outside. Those business owners, you know what they know how to do? They know how to serve their clients and their customers. They know how to deliver good product and service. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to afford thousands of dollars of rent in this downtown area of a lease. They know how to deliver good. But you know what they don't know how to do? They don't know how to write good copy. They suck. In fact, most of these businesses around here, they've never even read a copywriting book before. They don't know what the word direct response copywriting means. And if you can just walk into their business and be like, hey, and just start pitching them, right? Obviously you don't want to say, hey, you want to buy my copywriting services? Don't say that. But if you just put yourself out there and just start walking into these businesses like the old fashioned way, like Gen Zs are super scared of, like you want to be like a good copywriter and make money, go act like baby boomers. Go actually talk to humans face to face in real life, like the old fashioned way before there was smartphones and crazy stuff like this. Like if you want to get money, just like get competent enough with the skill, which doesn't take long. 30 days, you're good enough to land clients. If you're reading and studying every day for at least an hour or two a day, that's it. Anyone can do that. If you want to make money, like forget looking online first. Like yes, there's lots of money to be made online and scaling and all these things. But like to get your foot in the door is very difficult when you're brand new. So how can you build more trust quickly? Dude, like it's so hard when you DM somebody online on Instagram and like someone's immediately first thoughts is this person's a scammer, this person's an AI bot, this person doesn't know what they're doing. You walk into a business confidently, be like, hey, what's up? How's it going? Oh, this is really cool. I actually walk by here all the time. Maybe I've even bought from here before. Hey, how's it going? I'm actually, I was actually checking out your website earlier. And like, I noticed a couple things that like are really easy fixes for you to do to improve your marketing. Oh, who am I to say anything? I'm actually a digital marketer. Don't call yourself a copywriter. Local businesses, 90% of people have no idea what you're talking about if you say the word copywriter. Just say, oh yeah, I do online marketing, digital marketing for local businesses like yours. And I actually looked at your website ahead of time. Hint, hint, actually do this before you walk in. Don't just show up empty-handed. I actually looked at your website ahead of time. I looked at your emails. I looked at your social media. I looked at your ads you're running. And like, here's like, I found a bunch of quick fixes you can do to improve your headline and your copy on your website. to improve your call to action, to fix your social media posts, to make them more engaging, to make your ads stand out, to get your emails to actually convert, and all these things. Whatever you want to say. If you want to just focus on one area, if you're new, you're like, I don't know how to say all these things, just pick one thing. Just get good at their social media, or just get good at their ads or whatever. And then show up and be like, yeah, here, I'll show you. This is what I wrote down, blah, 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 blah. Like, write down some notes in a Google Doc, on your notes app on your phone. Like, actually helpful advice, which, again, if you just study this book for a little bit every day, you are gonna see things in people's businesses, on their copy, on their socials, on their emails, like, very quickly. That's going to help them. So, like, just start walking into these businesses. Like, look at this. All those buildings, all those places, all around here, right? There are dozens and dozens and dozens of businesses just literally right here. And you will build 10 times more trust. Walking into the door, nobody's gonna think, oh, this guy's an AI bot, right? Right? They know immediately, say, oh yeah, I'm from this city, I live down the street, I walk by all the time. You build 10 times more trust that way, which just makes it 10 times easier to land clients. And you go in, like, most business owners are just absolutely clueless. Local businesses, when it comes to marketing and copywriting, they just don't even know. So, like, you can quickly be perceived as an expert if you just, like, give them a little bit of a couple tips, a bit of a game plan for what you would do to fix their copy, and a little bit of their marketing if you know, and then show that to them and be like, yeah, I wrote this for you. I can email it over to you, send it over to you right now, and break it down. And, like, depending on how their level of interest, you could say, like, hey, is this, like, something that you would, like, that sounds good? Like, would you need some more help with this? If so, I actually also offer, like, full-on digital marketing services. Don't say copywriting, say digital marketing, online marketing services to help you get more leads, generate more, get more customers, clients into your store, get more foot traffic in, to increase your revenue. And if they say, yeah, oh, that sounds great, yeah, let's talk more, then just come back and schedule another meeting with, like, basically a discovery call, but in person, right? If you want to make big boy money, put your big boy pants on and go talk to people face to face. Like, you're going to make 10 times more money when you also not just become a good copywriter with the skill, but you improve your soft skills, like being able to talk to humans. Like, you're going to make 10 times more money in whatever you do in life, but, like, especially when it comes to copywriting. So go do it. Go to a local business owner, go to the local nail salon shop that your sister or your mom goes to, go to the, like, local roofing company business who, like, is the one-man shop who is your neighbor down the road. Like, there is money all around you. Somebody owns these buildings. Just remember that. Somebody owns these buildings. And if you want to know the secret to making 10K a month as a copywriter, it's get good at copy and then do whatever it takes to get in front of rich people. That's the secrets. You don't have to be an A-list copywriter. I'm not, right? You're not going to find me in the Forbes top 100 copywriters list of all time, even top 100 of right now. But you know what I know how to do? I know how to get competent enough, right? And I know how to go find rich people and do whatever it takes to get in front of them. That's how I've made 10K, 15K a month for the past few years, right? That's how you do it. Just get good, go find the rich people, get in front of them. Nobody's doing this. Everyone wants to hide online behind a screen and go DM somebody, oh, I'm scared. You go, like, grow a pair, go outside into the real world, and go start pitching it and show that. Don't just, like, make an ask, hey bro, if I get 2 or 3 extra revenue, hey, do you need email? Don't start with that. Lead with value. Go do something ahead of time. Hey, I created this for you. I made you a free audit, wrote up all the things, give them a game plan. Business owners just want easy and a game plan, just tell them what to do and give a little bit of proof that you're competent, even if you've never landed clients. I guarantee you, if you go out there and go pitch 20 businesses today, if you've been learning this skill for at least a month, if you go pitch 20 local businesses today, you walk in, boom, 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 rapid fire, maybe over the course of 2 days. Like, I guarantee you're landing a client unless you suck at copywriting. Like, that's the only other way you're not going to land a client, is, like, if you absolutely are terrible and you actually haven't been working on your craft. So if you've been learning and studying and practicing for 4 weeks, you go in and do this, you're getting a client within the next 48 hours, guaranteed. Go do it now, check it out, and subscribe for more videos like this to help you become a 10K month operator.